Having some issues. Some client stays downtown. What's going on? We out here in Dallas today. Got a customer that was complaining about hearing a dragging sound coming from the back, and they was kind of losing brakes. And I look back there. Let me show you what I find. Recently just purchased this car also. Look at that. Brake fluid, caliper piston, and pushed all the way out, and it was all because they left a bolt to the bracket removed. They forgot to put it back on there. So it's gonna need a new caliper. It's gonna need the wheel locks to actually get the tires off, and probably the brakes bled. It's probably a 2008 Hyundai Sonata. These are pretty reliable too, if you take care of them. Whoa, now today we out here in Mansfield, and look what happened here. We're gonna assess exactly what we need. Look like the hub bearing went bad, and when that hub bearing goes bad, it don't matter how tight that tire is on it. Yeah, hub bearing seized up, caused the wheel to come off, caused the brake bracket. All right, let's see what we got. So we just need a whole hub bearing, a new bracket. One of these definitely got to be ordered. Caliper should be, yeah, the caliper's still good actually. I'm gonna double check it.